Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM hak arpan riotarik risau kalapan long da kajing Lehkmen bakarpang kum kada kajing ajing mynjur jong ka National Medical Commission NMC ya ka PE Sangma International Medical College and Hospital PIMC. Ha kani ka program Lehkmen layodan lang ru Menteri Rangba ka jela ukonrat ke Sangma ka sura dini ke Sangma ka kurim jong ulit PE Sangma bat kami ukonrat Menteri Katanat ka koit kekya ka Dr Lingdo, Menteri ka boarding UAT Mondal, Balajit Kupar Senram MLA Syllad, u Chancellor USTM, u mabubul hok pat kiwe. Ha kani kasngi u Chancellor ka USTM ha ka jingkeren, ula penbenaru pynkha saya ka Dental College, ya ka ba NI nam ha ka kyrteng jong Menteri Rangba barim ka jela, u Dr Donkupar Roy. Habakren ha ka jingelang u Menteri Rangba ula ai kuble ya ka USTM halor kani ka jingjom, bat penparu ka jingsngungu ya u JP Nadda, Menteri Katanat ka koit kekya ka sorkar pedeng, bat ya ki he jong katanat, halor ka jingkershan baka jingerap ka jongki, na ka benta ban ajing menjur ya ka Medical College, ka basis pak sanpo seat ka PIMC. Ngaladon benta lang haus nam arajar pra ha kapor bala menjur ya ka USTM bill, bat kani ka USTM ka bamenta, kadi ka sakhi jo ka jingatray langkum ka kinhun, ka jinglong koridor bat jinglong nongelam ulaong. Ulaong ru UPE Sangma unget ba ki jingpulut pensep bat ka jingkarshan na ka benta ki samla, kadi ka jingkarshan ka bakraw tam ba ka sorkar kalak banle na ka benta ki samla, na marusot ling ba kani ka jingkarshan kalong ka bamdan put. Nalor kata ulaong baka jingim jong kinongelam bakraw kum ulit PE Sangma, lead Dr Donkupar Roy bat kiwaypan kidai ki ba ay mensim na markiyeng rangba hapding shibun ki jing jong ka jingim. Haba penken mau ya ki por samla jong ulit PE Sangma ya ka ba ulayo sngaw na ka kami jong u ukonrat ulaong. Ka jingim jong ki brio kum UPE Sangma bat u Dr Donkupar Roy kalak ban ay mensim shikat de ya kani kapating ka ba menta. Bat kalong kebadan kami ki samla kani kapating ba amtang bakin kenmau ya ki mati jongki henry ban shim ya ki jinghikai ba koridor ling ba ka jingim ba sngorid jongki bat halor kinong rim ba kini kinong elam ki yeng. Ka sorkar ka ngej ba ka jingpen im wat tang ya ka we ka mensim kalong ka ba kongsan bat ban ay ka jing syakri ba kongsan ha ka koit kekya kalong kebadan kambha namar kata ka jing mang pisa sya katanat ka koit kekya ha ka jela kalong ka ba he bat ka bala penlong ya ka jing mang pisa ka ba he tam ha kari ula benram. Lapen pu penping ya ka ni ka singiling ba ka jing ruai bat jing syat tenra na ki samla puli ka skul ba.
I first of all would like to take this opportunity to really congratulate Mr. Hawk and the entire team at USTM on this great and amazing milestone of getting the approval from the NMC for a 150-seat medical college, the P.S. Sangma International Medical College. That when P.S. Sangma ji was studying in St. Anthony's in Shillong, and you know how cold Shillong used to be that time. He had nothing but one half sweater. That's it. And as far as I remember, my mother and he used to tell us that he had, I think, 2 shirts and 2 pants. That's it for his entire college career. That's all. And in the weekend, I know he will not like it when I tell you this, but in the weekend, he used to be in the towel, washing that shirt and the pants he had, the 2 pairs, the 1 pair, sorry, in 2 pairs, shirt and pant, and he used to wash it and wait till those clothes would dry up during those Sundays or Saturday, because he did not have the resources to buy enough clothes. My mother will tell you that in our matrilineal society, we have to come and obviously live in the wife's house. So when P.S. Sangma ji got married to my mother, he came with just one small suitcase. And he had only, I think, 1 pair of pants and shirts and very less clothes. And that's the humble background from which he had come, the struggles that he faced. A.T. Manoj did not share with you, was a person who believed in investing in our youth. He used to always tell us that the greatest investment a government can do is to invest in its youth. Because the returns that come out of that is just, unlimited. You just don't know what kind of returns you may get. Because it's unlimited. That's how great investments in the youngsters is what PSR believed. These are his values that he had. And he instilled those values in us to ensure that when we also came in as a government, education was one of the most important things for us. There are a lot of challenges. I'm not saying that we've been able to solve everything. But the focus, the decisions that we take today are much easier for us because there are principles and values that have been set in our mind, in our hearts, allows us to make those decisions much quicker. I said it's not about just spending money. When you spend money, it has to be having the impact that you desire to have when you're spending the money. And hence we realize that we need to improve the overall infrastructures at the critical level, at the village level, PHC, CHC, sub-center, and all of those areas. We started investing in those. We realized that we need to keep training our manpower. We've invested in those. We realized that we have less doctors, and hence we were very excited when medical colleges like this and the Syllad and Tura medical colleges were on the pipeline. I can assure you, as our minister has said, that we will go to start the Syllad and the Tura medical college also very, very soon. We also realized that we need to ensure that medicine is provided to our people at the right time. Something very touching to see that Mr. Hawke has named this medical college after late P.S. Rama. I think this is another very important quality I've seen in Mr. Hawke, is that when he gets connected with somebody, the years may pass, but he doesn't forget. You have seen Mr. Balaji Sindram is here. He's our Honorable MLA, son of late Donkupar, the Chief Minister who gave the USTM the bill and the act to set up this university, and not more than that, gave the entire permissions, spacing, everything. And Mr. Balaji Sindram is sitting here with us. Though Dr. Donkupar is not here, I'm sure he is looking down from above, and I'm very happy to see that the seeds that he had sown in 2008, or the nurturing that he had allowed, and the space that he had given, has today led to an institute like this, which is today shaping the lives of our youngsters, shaping their future, and more importantly, shaping the future of our region, our state, and the country as a whole. Matters more than giving lakhs and crores when they don't need it. And these small values have guided us to ensure that we start investing in healthcare. Our health minister has spoken about the future that we're going to work on. Yes, things are changing. We are seeing a lot of improvement in things. But let me share you where we started off with. And when we started off, we had a lot of challenges. But now, in a matter of 7 to 8 years, you'll be happy to know that Meghalaya has today increased the money we spend on health to become one of the highest spenders in terms of healthcare to per capita or to the GDP calculation. We spend about 8% plus of our expenditure on budgets on healthcare, which is the highest in the country. The highest in the country. So we spend the highest amount of our budget compared to any other state on healthcare. Quality. Now it may sound very simple, but when you believe as an organization that no matter what, we will not compromise on quality, you set a benchmark on what you want to achieve. And people sometimes will look at you and say, what are these guys thinking? That kind of quality? Not possible. But then you put that benchmark for yourself because that's what you believe in. That's the value that you have. And these are important things that one has to look at. The different principles you believe in. Principles of hard work. No matter what you believe in and what benchmark you set, there is no compromise to hard work. Whether it's an organization, whether it's individuals or students, whether it's a business, whether it's a government. The perseverance that is required. That in spite of challenges that you face, you will not give up. And you will continue to work hard. These are values that define organizations which achieve better. These organizations come out with the best performance that one can imagine. And at the crux of all of this, I'll tell you, apart from the values and principles that are there, values of quality, values of perseverance, of hard work, principles of hard work, lies a very important aspect, which again I believe in, is a very, very strong, connected, humble leadership that is necessary. And I say this today because I was part, I should say, of the process in 2008, because I was in the cabinet then, that at the core of the difference between an organization or a team that performs versus a team that does not perform that well are sets of values and sets of principles that these organizations believe in and work towards. And that is what differentiates a good organization from a not that great organization.